Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do a tutorial. It's been a long time since I put on makeup, let alone do a tutorial. So I decided I wanted to go ahead and do some makeup today, and I was like, you know what, I'll just go ahead and hit record. I'm not going anywhere, don't have anywhere to go, nowhere to be, so that's the perfect time for some makeup therapy. That kind of rhymed, didn't it? Hey. Anyway, everything that I use will be down in the description box, so please don't forget to check that out if you're interested in what products I use. So let's go ahead and get into the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This is what it ended up looking like. Everything I use will be down in the description box as always. And I just want to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel and watching this video. If you like it, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. It lets me know, and it lets YouTube know that you like my content, okay? So, as always, I love you guys. Stay safe. Bye.
She loving the likes, she living the life, yeah. She Instagram famous, you know that it's dangerous. Baby, you famous, Instagram famous. Body on 10, your body on 10. Shawty, you banging, oh yeah. We gon' get paid now, we gon' get paid now, okay. We gon' get paid now, we gon' get paid now, we gon' get